Hi there, I'm Paula Romero from La Bella Pasta. Welcome back to our channel. Today's video, I'm gonna show you how to make pão de queijo. In other words, cheese bread. Cheese bread is very popular in my country. In Brazil, everybody loves pão de queijo. So the ingredients for this recipe are very easy and simple. I'm gonna show you. We have here tapioca flour, we have milk, olive oil, Parmesan cheese, eggs, and salt. We're gonna start this recipe by bringing the milk, the olive oil, and the salt up to a boil. Once they come to a boil, we're gonna add them to the tapioca flour. Okay, let's do it. So here we have it. The milk, the olive oil, and salt came up to a boil. We're gonna drop this whole thing into the tapioca flour. Be careful because it's very hot. And to this now, we're gonna mix them all together. But we're gonna mix them in the mixer because tapioca flour can be very tough to mix this by hand. So we're gonna do it here on a mixer. We're gonna add the eggs in 2 additions, and we're gonna keep beating in a slow speed until all ingredients are well combined. So let's do it. 1 addition. Let's keep beating. Alright, and the last ingredient to be added to this is going to be the Parmesan cheese. Once we add the Parmesan, you're going to see that the dough is going to come very nicely. You're going to see those strands of cheese in the bowl. It is chewy, and that is perfectly normal. The consistency of pão de queijo is something between a cake batter and a cookie dough. So let's see how it's going to come out. That's it. Heads up, you can make the puffs by using a tablespoon and make it in your hands, like making the balls in the palm of your hands, or you can do like I do. I use an ice cream scoop because you can portion it better and they kind of bake at the same size, more or less, and it's easier, it's faster than doing that way. But feel free, if you don't have an ice cream scoop, just do it, roll it by hand, okay? So now we make the puffs, something like that. Drop them here on a parchment paper lined baking sheet. If you don't have the parchment paper, I don't recommend the aluminum foil though. Every time I use aluminum foil for this, it doesn't work very well. If you have a silicone pad, you can use that as well, perfect for that. Otherwise, just the parchment paper. I'm gonna continue make the puffs, and then we're gonna take this to the oven at 450 degrees. As soon as we transfer the baking sheet to the oven, we're gonna drop the heat to 350 and we're gonna bake it for about 20 to 25 minutes until they're golden brown on top. All right? I'm pretty much done here with the puffs. You can hear my oven reaching the 450 degrees. This is the last puff. The puffs are ready to go to the oven, And don't worry if you don't see perfectly round, because these peaks are actually gonna look very nice when they come out of the oven. They're gonna be very very crispy on the outside and chewy on the inside, the way it's supposed to be. So I'm gonna take this to the oven and I'll be right back. You hear that? It's ready. Let's see how they're gonna come out. Oh yes. Look at this. Aren't they cute? Okay, the cheese bread has cooled down a little bit. Like I said, they are crispy on the outside and they are chewy on the inside. It's still hot, but we can do, it's hot. And this is exactly how they are supposed to look, because it's cheese and they're supposed to be chewy. And they are so good and delicious. Let me try to see if the taste looks good. Very chewy. The kitchen smells amazing right now, so I'm sure you're gonna like it. I hope you like this video, and if you do, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, I'd like to invite you to visit our website, labellapasta.net. Check our calendar. We have fresh pasta class online, live online, so we can cook together. If you like pasta like me, this is the place for you. So I hope you enjoy. Oh, also don't forget to follow us on our Instagram page at LB Pasta. I hope you have a good day. See you next time.